You are welcome, guys. And if you look at the markets, we are still heading back to the downside, as I was talking about on this channel. And I told you about the $8,300 level at this very point, that the market is going to go down up to this very area, and this is where we're going to see the market begin to move to the upside from. That is, this is the last area. Market is still moving down on Bitcoin 1-day chart, and on the 4-hour chart here, you see the market's coming back down. Is this market going to move to the downside, as we are seeing right here? And on the ETH 1-day chart as well, 4-hour chart right here, what are we paying attention to? And on the Matic chart. All of these and more in today's analysis. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and don't forget to share this video. If you look at this very area, market has been going down gradually, and you know that the markets don't have very strong momentum to the downside right now, and I am still paying attention to the fact that the market is going to move to the upside. I am still very optimistic that the market is going to move to the upside. Like I said, if you use the Fibonacci retracement tool from this area of support into this area of resistance right here, you see the market have already crossed the 0.382 of the Fibonacci at this very point, and right now we are coming down into the 0.50 of the Fibonacci, which is 28.3k at this very area. This is where we are heading to right now, and as you know, we've not seen any significant move to the upside except this very area, and I did not bother doing any video on this very move because the market lacked the capacity to move to the upside and the market come back right down. I am still paying attention to the market moving to the downside, approaching this very area of 0.50 on the Fibonacci, which is 28.3k on the price chart. And if you look at the MACD right here, let me remove this, and if you look at the MACD, you see the MACD is gradually approaching the zero line right at this area. That is, momentum is gradually shifting from the negative side of the MACD to the positive side of the MACD. This is an indication that the markets have capacity of not going back down aggressively. Rather, the bulls will take control of the markets anytime soon. So we have to pay attention to the market start creating green bars on the positive side of the MACD right here. Like this is an indication that the market is about to move to the upside. So we must have to pay attention to this formation on the MACD. So market moving down, and we are going to see the market begin to stop moving to the downside around this area and then continue its movement upward. This is what I have been paying attention to. Don't expect any aggressive movement downward on the BTC USD 1-day chart because the market is going to retrace very soon. Why is that very important? Because the market has moved all the way from this very area of resistance down to this very level. Market is going to retrace very soon. This is my own directional bias right now on the 1-day chart, and on the 4-hour chart right here, you see the market is moving downward. What will happen on this chart is the market to move downward. Okay, so market is going to continue its downward movement. I'm paying attention to this level of support on the chart and this very area right here. So I am expecting this market to move into this level of 28,600 and this level of 28,300. So this market should come back down to this very area on the 4-hour chart, guys. So if you are trading the 4-hour chart, don't buy the market right now. Rather look for short or sell opportunity to the downside. So market is going to continue its movement from where it is right now into this very zone. And if you look at it very well, this very zone is 28.3k, and this is what I am expecting on the 1-day chart for the market to get into this very area before the next move to the upside. So you need to pay attention to the market moving to the downside on the 4-hour chart. Like I said, don't buy the market yet. We've not seen any significant volume in the market that signifies that the market is going to move to the upside. Pay attention to short opportunities in the market. ETH 1-day chart right here. If you look at this very point, market have stayed at this very area of support for just few days, and right now the market is tending to break out on this very area. You see, market is finding very difficult to break out on this very level of support right now, but what I am expecting is the market to break out sluggishly before that very movement to the upside. That means don't expect any aggressive breakout to the downside on the 1-day chart ETH. Pay attention to the market breakout sluggishly, and then afterward the market is going to move to the upside. This is what I am paying attention to right now. And if you look at the MACD indicator, the indicator is not going down, approaching the zero line very drastically as we see on BTC. This also means that paying attention to short opportunity is very, very important rather than buy opportunity. So right now on the 1-day chart, don't buy the market. Look for short opportunity in the market rather than buying. The market have high capacity of moving downward than moving upward. We must see some level breakout in the market and significant increase in volume before we can buy the market right now on the 1-day chart ETH. I am also paying attention to the MACD histogram reduce in momentum and approach the zero line, and probably a formation of the histogram on the positive side of the MACD right here will also give us an indication that the market is about to move to the upside. So pay attention to shorting the market and don't expect any drastic move to the downside after this breakout that we are seeing right now on the 1-day chart ETH. On the 4-hour chart right here, this market is going to come back right down, and where I am expecting this market to get to is this very area of important resistance I'm going to show you right now on the chart. You see, the market is going to continue its downward movement as we are seeing right here. Market is going to move down into this very area of 1780. This is the level I am paying attention to right now, this level of 1780. From this area and this very zone right here, this is where I am expecting this market to move into before the next retracement. If you look at this chart critically, you know that the market has been on this very zone for a very long time, and a breakout of here, which is what we are saying right now, that means if this candle close significantly bearish as we are seeing right now, the market is going to move down into this very zone of support, and that is what I am expecting right now for this market to continue downward. That means don't buy the market where the market is right now. Rather, shorting the market from here will be a nice idea for the market to move downward. This is what I am expecting, and this is what you need to pay attention to. Like I said, on the 1-day chart ETH, don't expect any severe aggressive move to the downside. On the 4-hour chart ETH, market is going to move down sluggishly before we'll see a good retracement to the upside. And except the market breakout on key levels, like I told you in my immediate past video, of this very resistance right here, this very resistance at this point in this very area, don't buy the market yet. Look for short opportunity right now. So this is what I am expecting on the 4-hour chart ETH. And on Matic has been a very critical chart for me all this while. Like I said, look for short opportunity. Market has not break out on this very level of support right here, which is now resistance right now in the market. So what I am paying attention to on Matic right now is the market to break out on this very level of support. So if the market break out on this very level of support, which is what I am expecting to happen, then the market is going to move down a little bit into this very zone of support again. And this very zone I'm going to show you right now is very, very important. So expect the market to come down to this very area of important support on the chart. So but before the market gets into this very area, we have a very strong support line at this very point as well. So If the market break out, this will be the first area the market is going to get to. That means a breakout on this very zone of support right here is going to bring the market to move into this very area of 0.63, and then the market is going to go up for retracement, then continuation into this very zone of support again. This is what I am expecting. That means after this breakout, you can take a short position to the downside. Don't buy Matic right now. Look for short opportunity to the downside, because that is where the market is moving into. The market is making lower lows and lower highs at this very area. If you look at this very trend to the downside very, very well, this is what you need to pay attention to right now on Matic and ETH for our chart, and also BTC for our chart. What do you think about the market on Bitcoin for our chart? Is this market going to come into this zone as I am expecting, or market is going to reverse and begin to move to the upside? Comment below in the comment section of this video. And if you want to learn how to do simple technical analysis for profitable trading, check the description of this video right now. You see contact, reach out to me for mentorship. If you are new to this channel, please like the video, help subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.